5 amazing facts about the human heart, from size to sound. 1. Size and power. The heart is a fist-sized organ that pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood daily. 2. Electrical activity. The heart has its own electrical system that regulates its rhythm. 3. Lifelong pump. The heart beats around 100,000 times per day, lasting a lifetime. 4. Heartbeat sound. The lub-dub sound is created by the closing of heart valves. 5. Emotional connection. The heart has cultural significance as a symbol of love and emotions. Subscribe for fascinating insights and updates.